October of 16 date is of the historical treasure. 7 years have passed since the betrayal of October 16, 2017. On this date, some crowdly politicians made a secret agreement with the Hashdi Sha'bi and shared ruling groups of close to Iran. Iraqi forced to take control of Kirkuk and most of the disputed terrorists, which make up 50% of the terrorists of South Kurdistan. These are filled back under of control of the Iraq government, and the blood of thousand Peshmerga was the shade. This is a patrol that will never be forgotten, and this history of the Kurdish will be questioned forever. The return of this IR in Iraq government control and Hashdi Sha'bi fighting market, the beginning of renewed aggression in the conflict, a new wave of Kurdish exodus. Once again, the land belonging to the Kurdish farmers was seized and their crops were burned. Our Arab brothers ignoring the action of the Badamriga flooded this area, occupied the Kurdish lands, villages and houses. Thereover, those who exist inside and the belief that October 16 is not treasure have a marked themselves with the same of the betrayal like the self of the past. Even if they are explained from the country, their action will continue to reflect the betrayal, the people in the Kurdish and the Kurdistan. The February 17 Organization for Human Rights.